Today I'm going to be checking the valve clearances on my MT07. Let's get right into it. I stuck this to the side of the engine so when I turned the crank I could do it with some degree of accuracy, and once it was in top dead centre on the compression stroke I could start measuring.
So if we get the 0.2, the 0.2 doesn't fit, so that's a good sign. So if I get a 1.5, a 1.5 fits in there, So the intakes on cylinder 1 are okay. So we'll start with a 2.5. Right, so a 2.5 doesn't fit in this one. Does the 0.3 fit in there? No. So this one's in spec. And we need to measure this one a bit more and see if we can work out where we are. So 25 doesn't fit. Oh, it is quite hard to handle when you're covered in oil. So what we got next? I've got a 0.23. So 0.23 doesn't fit. So 0.2 does fit. So we'll write that down. 0.2. Right, so that's that side done. And now we need to turn the crank 270 degrees counterclockwise and do the other one. So 90, 180, I actually think that's 270. Make sure. Yeah. So if you don't know, like when you turn it, the the piston on cylinder 2 should be at the top, and I've got this bar marked for where it is, just for sanity's sake. So the 20's out. I'll try that on the intake, which shouldn't fit. So a 0.15 doesn't fit. I've got a 0.13, which slides in and slides in. So now both within spec. So above 0.11. So doing the exhaust valves. So 0.23 fits in with ease. So going in for a 0.28, which does fit. Okay, so the 30 does go under that right hand one. So 0.33 doesn't fit. So my smallest one is a 0.4. So if we stick that with a 0.28, we can see if it's a 0.32. Alright, so 3.2 doesn't fit. If we which I would say that's probably a 0.31. Okay, so I think this one is a 0.33.
So because my valve clearances are not in spec, I need to take off the camshafts again. So I need to turn the crank counterclockwise another 90 degrees to get it back to top dead centre.
Because when you do that, all of the timing marks should line up. They do. Yeah. So when you do the valve clearance checks, if you look at the timing marks on the whatever the fuck they're called, why can't I think straight? On the cam chain, fuck's sake. Yeah, so if you look at that on the cam chain, when you're doing the valve clearances, the lines shouldn't line up. And when you're looking at it, when you're doing, when you're dropping your tools and you're taking the camshafts off, you want them the opposite way, because while they're like this, there's no pressure on the cams, or there's only a little bit of pressure on the cams, whereas the other way, one of them will be pressed down. So you do these in the crisscross pattern, fucking snap a cam bolt, so that'll make for a sad day.
So now it's just a case of stripping the camshaft back out so I can get back to the valve pads. Get a bit of double-handed action going. Using the little equation in the workshop manual, I was able to get the measurements and work out which pads I could use. So I'll get them ordered. In the next video on this series, I'll fit them, recheck them. If you came here and you're doing yours and you're stuck, feel free to ask me a question. If I know the answer, I'll try and help you out. If you're new to this series and you want to catch up on any of the older episodes, here's a link to the playlist. Thanks for joining me. I'll catch you in a bit.